So if you click it, I don't know how much times, but gotta keep clicking him a lot. Help me click him. There, we got noise unlocked, and that's how you unlock noise if you have Pizza Tower. Next, I think you just go to here, audio, video game, I think game, timer, speedrun timer, rumble. I don't know how to change it, but it says you unlock the noise. Video, audio, controls. Oh wait, no wait. Oh wait, how do I get down there? Oh, that's how you unlock the noise. So if you want to unlock the noise, click just the bottom, and to go back to Peppino, just click top button. So how you unlock the noise.